Hey friends, today we're talking about the Chevy Suburban, one of the most versatile vehicles on the road. If you own one of these, you may find that at some point it starts to run rough, it may hesitate on acceleration, or it may even stall. So one of the first things you want to do in that case is clean your throttle body. So the throttle body is on the front of the engine. It's attached to the air cleaner box with an air duct. So just remove the air duct and then start the engine. And while the engine's running, spray some cleaner into that throttle body and clean up that butterfly valve and that throttle body bore. The engine will pull the cleaner in and do the cleaning while it's running. So the next thing you want to do is make sure that you're using the proper cleaner. And this is throttle body and air intake cleaner made by CRC. You can get some of this on Amazon. I put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. So once you've finished that up, the next thing you'll want to do is clean your mass airflow sensor. This is a little device that fits down into the air cleaner box and it senses the airflow coming into the engine. So there's just two screws you got to take out. Pull that sensor out of the air cleaner box, and while it's in your hand, spray it off with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. Now Gum Out makes a good mass airflow sensor cleaner, also available on Amazon. And what you want to do is while you're spraying off this mass airflow sensor with this cleaner, you want to pay close attention to this little sensing element depicted by the green arrow there. When that gets dirty with time and mileage, it loses sensitivity. And then the sensor does not report the proper airflow coming into the engine, and the engine computer will not calculate proper fuel delivery and cause drivability problems. So once you've done doing that, the last thing you'll want to do is clean your fuel injectors. And that's the simplest process. You can just get some of this fuel injector cleaner and dump it in your gas tank. That's Techron by Chevron. This here is Quick Shot by Autel. Either one of these will do just fine on your Chevy Suburban. So like I said, you just dump it into the gas tank and drive the truck. And while you're driving through that tank full of fuel, you're cleaning your injectors. So you may notice that during the process of doing all these cleanings, you may trigger some trouble codes and turn on your check engine light. Not to worry, you can clear those codes out easily with one of these little pocket scanners. This one's made by Autel. You can get these for less than $40 on Amazon. They're easy to use. Just follow the prompts. You can clear your codes. Put it in your glove box for future reference. If your check engine light ever comes on again, you'll be able to check it out without having to take it into the shop. So let's get your Chevy Suburban running good again. These are fantastic vehicles. They haul a lot of weight. They have plenty of cargo space, and they actually get pretty good mileage compared to what they used to back in the 70s and 80s. So these are three things you can do right there in your own driveway to make it run better. And actually, I would do it every 30,000 miles to maintain it. So thanks for tuning into the channel. Hope you have a great day. Feel free to subscribe if you want to.